If you run a service business, one of the most important things you can have on your website is a simple way for customers to book appointments online. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from zero to a fully working booking system on your WordPress site in around 10 minutes. Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This video is sponsored by BookingPress, who are supporting today's content. So, what is BookingPress? BookingPress is a user-friendly WordPress plugin designed to automate appointment scheduling and booking for service-based businesses, such as salons, spas, gyms, clinics, and consultants, as well as freelancers, agencies, and entrepreneurs who want to offer clients a professional booking experience directly on their WordPress site without touching any code. With BookingPress, you can create bookable services in a few clicks, manage staff scheduling and working hours, place a booking form anywhere on your site with a shortcode, accept online payments using popular gateways, customize the booking flow and design to match your brand, send automatic email, SMS, and WhatsApp notifications, and you can extend everything with a rich add-on system. And in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a fully functional online booking system in WordPress using BookingPress. Use the link in the description to install the BookingPress plugin for free so you can follow along step by step. Alright, so first of all, you need to install the BookingPress plugin from their website. Go to bookingpressplugin.com. Click Download Free Version, then save the zip file to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. At the top of the page, click Upload Plugin. Then click Choose File, select the zip file you just downloaded, and upload it to your site. Then click Install Now and activate plugin. After activating the plugin, you'll see a new BookingPress menu appear in your WordPress dashboard. Go ahead and click on BookingPress, and that's going to launch a quick setup wizard where you'll need to enter some basic details about your business. So, you're going to enter the company name. I'll just type in Demo GigaPress. You can, of course, put in your own business name here. Next, you have the time format. You can choose between 12-hour and 24-hour time. I personally prefer 24-hour, so I'll select that. Then you have the date format. If you're in the US, you might want month, day, year. Below that, you can set your country. You'll also see fields for a phone number, logo, and website URL. These are optional, so if you don't have that handy right now, you can always come back and fill them in later. Once you're happy with these details, click Next. On the next screen, here you can control which days of the week we want to accept bookings. So, for example, let's say you don't want to take appointments on Fridays. All you need to do is find Friday in the list and switch it to No. That immediately turns Friday off, so customers won't be able to book on that day. You can do the same for weekends or any other day you don't work. When you've set your working days the way you want them and the currency, click Next again. Now we're on the service, and this is where you might need to create your very first bookable service. So, in the service name field, I'll type Tutorials. You can call this whatever makes sense for your business. For example, if you run a salon, your services might be haircut, hair coloring, or beard trimming. Or if you're a consultant, it might be a strategy session, a coaching call, or a business consultation. Whatever you offer. Then you have the price. You can enter whatever price you charge for this service. Next is the duration. By default, it might be 30 minutes, but let's pretend this is a 1-hour session. I'll change this to 60 minutes. So now you have a 1-hour tutorial service that costs $99. You can also add a description of the service offered. Now click Next to move on. On the next screen, BookingPress lets you choose some basic styling for your booking form. You can set a primary color, title color, subtitle color, and choose a font. These settings control how the booking form will look on the front end of your site. So in my case, I'll choose the default primary color and stick with the default font, which is Poppins. You can always come back later and tweak the design once everything is working. After the wizard finishes, BookingPress will automatically create a ready-to-use booking page for you, and you'll see some details on the screen. You'll notice a couple of important things here. There's a BookingPress form that has been created. There's also an appointments page, and most importantly, BookingPress gives you a shortcode that you can use to place your booking form on any page. At the bottom, You should also see a link that says something like, "Your site is ready," with a URL. If you copy that URL and paste it into a new tab, you can see what the default booking page looks like right now. You can see you already have the tutorial service showing up with the price and duration you just set. If you click on it, it takes you to the next step where you can choose a time slot and go through the booking process. This is great. It means you already have a working booking system. Let me show you how staff scheduling works, so you can manage a whole team and their calendars. Next, let's assign staff members and set their availability. If you're a one-person operation, you can just treat yourself as the only staff member. If you run a team, like multiple stylists, multiple trainers, or several consultants, this is where BookingPress really helps. Here, you can create a new staff member. You can set a password if needed, then enter their details. For example, I'll type the first name, last name, email address, and phone number. You can set the visibility to public, and you can also add an image here, which is a nice touch if you want to show your team on the booking form. Before you can save, you need to assign a service to this staff member. So you might need to click Add New under Services, choose the service, and in this case, I'll leave capacity as 1. Click Save, and now you have James added as a staff member connected to that service. Globally, you can also control your working hours, breaks, and holidays. For example, if you don't want to work on Wednesday, just set Wednesday to off. If you want to add a lunch break, you can add a break for that time range and save it. When customers go to book, those times will be blocked out. You can also add holidays. Just choose the dates. BookingPress will automatically generate available time slots based on this schedule. So when customers visit your website, they'll only see times that are actually available. This helps prevent double bookings and scheduling conflicts, and it keeps everything organized for both you and your clients. Let me quickly show you here how discounts work. If you want to run a promotion, you can add a coupon code under Discounts by clicking Add New. Let's call this coupon Sale50, and then you can set the discount to 50%. And you can also set a fixed amount in your currency if you prefer. You can optionally select a specific customer, select which services it applies to, and then set how many times the coupon can be used. Click Save, and now that coupon is ready to use during checkout. Next, I want to show you how you can customize the booking form and the entire booking flow. Under Customize, here you have Forms and Custom Fields. This is where you can control the actual booking flow that appears on your main booking page. On the left, you have the booking form sequence. You can decide whether you want to start with a service selection or a staff selection. So, for example, if you want clients to pick a staff member first, you can drag and reorder the steps. You can also control how the Booking Wizard tabs are displayed. For example, at the top of the form. You move the tabs to the top and click Save, then refresh the booking page. Now you can see the steps across the top. On wider layouts, this looks very clean and professional, and makes it easy for customers to see where they are in the process. You can also enable a search box for services. This is really useful if you offer a lot of different services. You can enable the search option for the service step, click Save, and refresh the page. Now you have a search bar where customers can quickly filter services by name. If you have a long list of services, this makes the booking experience much smoother. You can choose whether to show or hide service descriptions, control the thank you page, and much more. All of this gives you a lot of control over the booking flow, so you can design an experience that makes sense for your business and is easy for your customers. BookingPress also provides panels where you and your staff can manage bookings. In the Customer panel, you can view your customers, allow repeat bookings, let staff members rebook clients, or cancel appointments when necessary. This is great for managing everything from one place without having to dig through emails. Staff members also have options that can be enabled so they can see and manage their own appointments. Now let's take a look at notifications, because this is a big part of reducing no-shows. Another feature worth highlighting is the automated notification system. BookingPress can automatically send notifications through email, SMS, or even WhatsApp. These notifications can be used to confirm bookings, send reminders before appointments, update customers if anything changes, And you can even customize the message templates so they match your brand and communication style. Under Notifications, you'll see a list of email templates. Things like on approval, on rejection, on cancellation, on rescheduled, and so on. If you open the on approval email, you'll see a template that you can fully edit. It might say something like, "Dear customer, you have successfully scheduled an appointment." You can customize this text and insert shortcodes for details like the service name, appointment date, time, and more. For example, I can add the service name shortcode so the email says, "You have successfully scheduled an appointment for service name." And then, at the end, it can pull in your company name automatically. All of these templates are editable, so you can match the tone of your brand. On top of email, BookingPress also supports SMS and WhatsApp notifications. These automatic confirmations and reminders help you save time and really reduce no-shows, because clients get clear, timely updates about their appointments. Another powerful feature of BookingPress is the ability to accept online payments directly during the booking process. Under Payments, you can choose your payment gateways. By default, you might have Pay on Site enabled. You can also enable PayPal, and with the Pro version, you get access to additional gateways like Stripe and more. You can choose whether a gateway is in sandbox mode for testing or live for real payments. Once you've configured your gateways, your clients can pay online at the time of booking, or you can let them pay offline when they arrive. Totally up to you. Okay, so here's the front end. The flow is very straightforward. Select a service, then choose a staff member, if applicable, then pick a date and time and enter the basic details. Review the summary and confirm with payment options if you've enabled them. Finally, the add-on system that allows you to extend the functionality even further. Under Add-ons, you'll find all the extra modules that you can enable to add more functionality. Deposit payments. Let customers pay a deposit instead of the full amount. Invoice and tax add-ons. Cart add-on. Happy hour pricing. Location add-on for multi-location businesses. Recurring appointments. Service packages. Multi-staff. Waiting list. Great for fully booked time slots. These are available in the Pro version, and you can activate them as you need them. So you can start with the basics, get your system live quickly, and then add extra features when you're ready. There are also a lot of integrations available, like Outlook Calendar and Google Calendar integrations, Zoom integration, which is perfect if you're doing one-to-one sessions or consultations online, email and marketing integrations like OmniSend and Aweber, and the SMS and WhatsApp providers for your notifications. This makes BookingPress really flexible for different types of service businesses. Once everything is set up, the final step is to add the booking form to your website. Go back to the shortcodes, then copy and paste them into a page like Book an Appointment or Schedule a Session. When visitors open that page, they'll see your full booking system ready to use. From there, customers can select a service, choose a time slot, enter their details, and complete the booking in just a few clicks. If you've enabled online payments, they can also pay on the spot, which makes the entire process seamless. You can also test all the features on their live demos at bookingpressplugin.com/demo. And that's it! That's how to set up a complete online booking system in WordPress using BookingPress. With just a few minutes of setup, you can create services, manage staff, customize your booking form, take online payments, and automate notifications so you save time and cut down on no-shows. If you want to set this up on your own site, check the link in the description to get started with BookingPress for free. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.